guys, like and subscribe. We are outside. I wanted to do some camping right out front, but I got a squirrel named Sandy and lots of birds. Oh God, I gotta reset this up.
We're making YouTube. Soda?
Alright guys,
Hopefully all of them.
what happened? What happened?
Too much bubbles.
Okay.
Definitely not do nothing like that.
I bet you shake it up.
Bird!
Where?
Over there, but can't shoot it over there.
I'm aiming, and I'm not loaded.
Try and shoot at that.
Why would I ever be loaded? Like, bro, 1 second. It's so hard holding it like this. Oh, can somebody hold this phone?
You know you can put it right here. Oh wait, more better.
Have you ever tried grazing this right here, Brendan?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, or else you're
This-
gonna get blind.
My name is JCO, man. That's my YouTuber name, JCO.
Oh, well, if you guys want to see me do a collab or do another video with JCO, like and hit that subscribe button for sure, and we'll be shooting some more guns.
And before you get blind.
And if you don't like and subscribe, it's your choice. I mean, I'm just sitting out here waiting for birds.
Yeah, we're waiting for Budge and Sandy. This is taking forever. And he got scared. Me too. Didn't see a squirrel for 169 years. I'm gonna have my pop.
Ow.
That's my pop.
No. Oh, God, the gun. Right,
I'm gonna have my pop.
Right, guys, next video we are gonna do this, which is like another 2 seconds.
Comments, and like and subscribe so we can make new videos of us going hunting.
We are still gonna be hunting out front though, because
We got
I don't
pop.
know.
This is my own
Like and subscribe.
time.
Bye.